Hi guys, it's Ayla. Welcome back to my channel. So today I've got a Ariana Grande inspired recreation of the Rain On Me video, and I'm going to be using the Suva Beauty Hydroliner. It just looks like that, and I've got it in Space Panda, and then I'm going to be using the Suva Beauty 620 brush. I'm not very good at it, so this is like the 7th time, so 7th time lucky. So I've already done my eyebrows, and I've used the Charlotte Grant Cosmetics Brow Soap in Translucent and the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim in, what colour was it? Brown Black on my eyebrows, and then I used a little concealer underneath, and I'm using the MAC Select Coverup in NW15. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to do the black eyeliner first, and then I'm going to go into the white liner afterwards, just because I feel a little bit more comfortable doing the actual black eyeliner. I'm using the Ultra Slim Boujour black liner, felt tip liner, and I'm just going to get started.
Look at the beautiful stars, I want to drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at this beautiful.
So I have winged it out a little bit, just to try and suit my eye shape, but I am going to try and do the white liner so it kind of looks a bit like Ariana Grande. I literally screenshot quite a few pictures of Ariana Grande, and it kind of goes just above her crease. There, so it kind of just goes above her crease, and then it sort of it doesn't necessarily flick up as a wing, but it does go out that far, and then just like a straight down line, and then underneath the waterline. So I'm just going to try and do that. So as I said, I'm going to be using the Suva Beauty Hydroliner in Space Panda, and I'm just going to open that and put a little bit of water in there. So I'm just testing it a little bit on my hand, because I'm trying not to make it too watery, and I don't want it to drag either, like that line there. So I'm trying to get the consistency right. So here it goes.
Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. 1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars.
It kind of looks a bit messy now, but I am going to make sure I clean it up a bit.
Break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette.
Right, I don't really like the way that looks, so I'm just going to look at the picture and just see what it's looking like. Kind of looks a bit thinner on the picture, so I'm just going to do the other eye.
Someone else, no one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
I like this one better than this one, so I'm just going to clean this one up a bit just to hopefully make it match this one. You just use water and it'll clear it up that way. So I've just got a little bit of water in this lid. It's an all-nighter setting spray lid, and I'm just going to clean up underneath.
Make mistakes, I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
I'm the happiest I'm going to be with that, so this is obviously, I'm going to fast forward all through this and you're going to see how long it's taken us to sort it out. So I'm just going to move on and do the rest of the face. I'm going to use the Stay Naked foundation in 20 Double N, and I'm going to be using the Real Techniques sculpt brush just to put that all over the face. And then I'll come back to the eyes at the end.
Clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
So I used the MAC Select Coverup in NW15 again, and I'm going to use the Look Good Feel Better finishing brush just to blend that in.
Troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel.
That's that, and then I'm going to use the RCMA No Colour Translucent Powder, or what this is called No Colour Powder, sorry, not translucent. I'm going to shake that and then dip it in with a Molly O'Brien Daz brush. Yep. M16, and then just tap it in there, and then put that all over.
Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
on Ultra Contour Palette to contour and bronze. I'm using this shade and this shade.
I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me.
In the picture, Ariana Grande doesn't really have any blush on, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Rimmel London Santa Rose blush because it kind of looks a bit like a bronze, and I'm taking a Real Techniques blush brush just to put that on there.
Someone else, no one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive.
And I'm going to put a little bit of blush from the Suva palette. I'm going to use this little pink one.
When I'm in this town, look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me.
So I'm happy with the face for now. To be honest, I'm probably done, to be honest. And now I'm going to go back in with the eyes, and I'm going to be using the No. 7 eyelash curler and Maybelline Lash Sensational waterproof mascara.
Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try.
I'm going to put a little bit of highlight in the inner corner, just because I noticed that she had a little bit of highlight in her inner corner. So I'm just going to put some there.
Break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars. I want to take a trip to Mars.
I'm going to be using the Lipsy brown lip liner and the Gosh 003 matte antique. And then I'm going to be using a little bit of the Soft palette highlighter in that purple colour there, just to add it on. So I'm just going to do that now.
I want to drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself.
I'm using the Sexy Mother Pucker in Plumpsup.
I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes.
This, as I said before, is the 7th attempt of doing the makeup look, so hopefully it's good enough for a recreation of the look. If not, then it will be an inspired by Ariana Grande Rain On Me look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
This town, look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. 1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for